Hello and welcome to this quick unbox video of the ShopKite Can device, which is a Sony D3 Mini. This device comes with a scanner and a few other accessories in the box, like a 58mm printing paper and the charging brick. I'm going to show you that in a bit. Okay, so first thing is we want to take out the scanner and also take out the charging cable and other things. Now I'm going to speed through that so I don't waste your time. Okay, now I've got the scanner out of the box, and the next thing is to take out our device from the box. Alright, unboxing time. This is the Can device. It's a desktop design device meant to sit on your desk. First thing we want to do is connect the handheld scanner and also connect the charging cable to it. Okay, it comes with a charging brick or a charger, right, and a unique connection port. Alright, so first thing is we're going to turn the device on its other side so we can access both the charging port and the USB ports at the back for our handheld scanner. We want to take our handheld scanner and connect the USB to one of the any of the three USB ports at the back. So I'm going to be going with the top one here. Make sure it's properly oriented. Sorry, I need to turn it the other way. So once you get the orientation right, you're good. So that's inserted. Next thing I want to insert is the charging cable. Charging cable comes in two parts. It comes with this extended cable to connect to an extension or your power source, and the charging brick itself that comes with this other cable that goes into the Can device. Now to insert this, you have to make sure that the side with the arrow pointing up is facing you, and then you pick up the device like this and look for this port right next to the USB port and make sure to insert your power connector there. Sorry. So I'm just going to make sure that that snaps in. Once that snaps in, we are all good. We can make sure that the cable goes through the side here. There's a gap here to make it easier so that when we flip the device on its side, it doesn't sit on any of the cables. Like that. Okay, so now our device is ready to be booted up. Our button is at the bottom right corner here. Just press for about 2 seconds and it will come on. Okay, it's all booted up now. We can go ahead to see how we can print and insert printing paper. I'm going to be using this printing paper for test purposes, but yours will come with a brand new sealed one like this in the box. To get to the printing paper compartment, we have to lift the device up this way, where the two arrows are, like this. Let's place your hand and pull backwards like that. So the orientation in which you will place the papers will be clearly stated, where the lip or the leading end of the paper should be upwards like this, so that when you close, the paper slightly sticks out like that. Okay, if you are familiar with the ShopKite app, it's pretty straightforward to print anything you want to print, but also the more important thing here is the amazing super fast handheld scanning device. This is pretty fast. It doesn't use infrared, it uses a camera, a very powerful camera to capture the barcodes on your products. So to sell, and let's test the printing also, take a product like this one and we nope, and then we continue and we say okay, okay, continue, and we're just going to pick cash here and continue. The print successful. Now I'm going to print the receipt. You see the printer has been added already as the inbuilt printer, and then all I need to do is say print, and there you go. You have your receipt printed out. Pretty fast and simple. So that's pretty much it with the all new Can device. Thanks for watching.